Okay, so this is how it looks. So just a few fields. Submit the application. We should receive an email straight away with a welcome, and then we're gonna get an ID. That will be the key to move forward. If the email is wrong, you can't continue. If the phone number is wrong, you can add a lot of security measures to that. So we got the welcome message. Here is the welcome message. And this is the ID that I was talking about. And now it's going to guide us to the next step. The next step is going to be an interview, a quick interview, asking us a few questions with the captain. So what we need to do, we're going to talk to the captain. So here's the captain. We're going to start the chat. I say, hey, this should be able to pull all information from the database. So we're going to give the ID. See, now it knows it's Valentino, where I live at the moment. I live in, obviously, the questions, you will adapt them to whatever the purpose of the interview is or what you're hiring for. The core idea is to actually capture all the important details like criminal record, disability, English, the languages that they speak, and so on. So now it's gonna guide us to upload the documents. Here we go. We got the email. The email is right here. Thank you very much for cooperation and understanding. Bang, this is done. And now we're gonna upload the documents. We click here, we upload the documents. I have them ready in here, email. So we upload the resume and we upload the ID. There we go. Now the next step is gonna be the interview. When we receive application is being approved or rejected, we're gonna go ahead and do the interview, like a quick mock-up just for the sake of this video. So the application outcome is being document issues. Oh no, improper documentation because I sent the fake ID. Now let's put the real ID. So now the documents got approved, so you need to upload the proper documentation. Otherwise you will be rejected and you will be disqualified. Now we're gonna start the interview and then we're gonna use this. Hold on 1 second, please. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Do you have your application ID ready?
Yeah.
Got it. It seems that application ID is not in our system. Could you please double check it and provide the correct one? Checking the ID now. Thank you. I found your application. Can you confirm your name is Margaret Viral Valentine? Great. To start the mini interview, please walk me through a recent automation workflow you built end to end from lead intake to scheduling and follow-up. What were the inputs, outputs, and tools you used?
So now, as you can see, I built this to read from the resume and then ask you a question about the resume. And then at the end, we'll match what you actually answered. I'm Valentino. I'm just testing the system. Can you speak in German, please? Can you hear me? So we got disconnected. Now we're going to end the interview. And now the best part about this is what I'm going to show you now. So everything is going to be processed, and then all the questions and all the information that we gather, we're going to put them into one single file. So this is the conversation recording. So what's going to happen, they're going to put them in here with this ID, ISM at the end. When we see that in here, that means the interview is ready. So I'm going to show you how that works. So what we just did, we uploaded the resume in here and the documentation. We uploaded the video interview. It's uploaded in here. So you can always go over it again and listen to how do they speak the language, how do they present themselves and stuff like that. Or we can always run it through AI to capture the information that we actually need. And then this is the card that we built. So I'm going to download this and then I'm going to open it. I'm going to have to block some of it. But this is basically what the recruiter is going to receive. This is all the information about the candidate. This is the next actions, what's missing, discrepancies, flags, and so on. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time.